That's fascinating. You mentioned seeing traction for Clutch increasing. Can you walk us through the specific business cases you are focusing on right now?
So that's basically the fundamental learnings. We now see traction for Clutch increasing, and among those organizations we talk to, we also been asked to help customers build solutions based on Clutch. And there are two major business cases that currently are in our focus. And one is what we call Anynines Hub for On-Prem, and the other is Anynines Hub for AWS. So at the core of Anynines Hub is always Clutch. So it allows you to go and integrate Kubernetes. But we also started to develop a Clutch service broker that allows you to integrate any service that you have integrated with Clutch and expose it in a Cloud Foundry environment of your choice. So write one integration for Clutch and get your integration for Kubernetes and Cloud Foundry for free is the direction we're headed. So in the case of Anynines Hub for On-Prem, as the name suggests, you are in an on-premise scenario. Data privacy is important. And if you don't live under a rock and you are in Europe, you'd know that digital sovereignty became a major political goal these days. So there's a higher pressure in maintaining this sovereignty, which also means on-premise becomes more important than it used to be. So in those scenarios, often customers these days have either OpenStack or VMware with a strong tendency towards OpenStack. So with such an environment, the combination of the Anynines data services for on-demand database provisioning and Clutch, it makes up a complete solution for data service orchestration for both Kubernetes and Cloud Foundry. So, and that's a strong business case, it's something where we see traction. One of the challenges in this case is especially about networking. So if you have a Cloud Foundry in your own network, you have the data services with all the service instances in one network, and you have your Kubernetes clusters, and they have their own networks. How do you expose a data service that is a virtual machine in the Kubernetes network? And we have added what we call the Anynines Network Connector in Clutch. It's using the Network Connector interface, and it provides an implementation where all the services that integrate with Clutch can be exposed to your Kubernetes application cluster seamlessly. So it's a VM, no problem. It's a container, no problem. So it's basically becoming a full-fledged orchestration framework.